Okay, y'all, I'm working on my temperature project for June. Thought I'd come out and the beautiful, it's so beautiful and the breeze is going. Thought I'd bring y'all out here with me. So grab your project, whether it's knitting or crocheting, and get to working. Now I'm gonna leave the background sounds because it's outside sounds. There's someone working out here, the wheelbarrow. There's all kinds of different sounds. You hear the birds. Let's see. You hear all the bunches of birds out here, y'all. We see cardinals all the time. I just wanted to enjoy the beautiful day, come out on the porch, crochet. Thought I'd bring y'all along with me. So, like I said, I got to add some yellow to this one. The sounds of summer. Let's see if I can get some of the birds for you. Wasn't it beautiful? It's looking cute, I think. I think this would go good in Kevin's kitchen. Because his feature wall in the kitchen is yellow. So I think that's going to be good. There won't be too many yellows. Yellow is above 70 and above for Wasilla, Alaska. So there's only one. It's probably going to be maybe one, maybe two. And so far, this is the only one I've got. So I think it'll be perfect for his kitchen. In the comments, let me know what you're working on and that kind of thing. It seems like a lot of you like the crochet with me videos, and because I've done that with other people, it helped me. I said, okay, I want to get so much done, so I'll crochet with that, that video, and kind of helps to get certain things done, but you're not alone. I might throw in some music here and there, but I thought the sounds of summer crochet with me would be cool. Get this beautiful, Kevin, he planted all these things here. This is his yard, his side yard. Now over there, that's the neighbor's trees, but this right here, this light green, that's his, and then the flowers here are his. I mean, whatever they are. there's a whole row. The next color is navy. So it's the same as this one, the single crochet. Find the scissors. Aren't these adorable purple scissors? They are sharp too. I love them. I think I got these at maybe Knit Picks, maybe. It has a little case. Let's see. Okay, y'all, that's how it's coming out. All right, our next color is, let's see, the temperature was 58, so that means it is another blue, the ice blue. I think it's the light one. No, let's see. So it's the, oh, did I use the wrong blue? Let me see. No, this is navy. Okay. Let's be this one. This one. This is ice blue. This is the next color. The temperature was 58 on June the 6th. Let's see. Yeah, I haven't used this one. Have I used this one? I must have one that's not open. I think I used that one up, so. Oh no, here it is. Here, okay. So this one would be double crochets. Look who I brought. It's the BB. Turn around, BB. Yeah, yeah. So they can see you. They can't see you, BB.